did the absolute most just now, looking for somewhere quick to eat, and only for me to actually sit down. Like, sometimes I be over myself. Like, doing the most, but not really. But also just being indecisive. And why I feel like this guy behind me just ordered 60 tacos. Like, they must about to have a really good Sunday today. Because 60 tacos is wild. But they are good though. Got a big thing of hand sanitizer. And I'm at like one of the like first taco places that I enjoyed like tacos when I first moved out here. And they moved because they used to be like right up the street from my house. It's called Taco Tequila El Arquito. I don't know. But they have like that little trumpet thing that they kind of like braise the meat off, but I'm doing no meat, so I actually got something new. I got veggie tacos. It's my first time ordering veggie tacos from them. I asked for breakfast tacos, but I guess they stopped selling breakfast at a certain time. I didn't realize that because I was just gonna get potato and beans. But I got veggie tacos with a side of rice and beans. So yeah. Yeah. I'm see how long the food takes, because it's definitely like it's like made to order. And we're gonna see and try something different. I just got a bottle of water so I can stay hydrated. But honestly though, so when I came here, like I was saying, it was up the street from my house, but it was like a part of a gas station. But this is an actual like a full blown like restaurant. Let's see if I can do like a little tour so you guys can see. I'm in like this back corner, and it's very pretty in here. Like, it's a lot of space, a lot of seating. Got the kitchen back there. They got some like the Mexican candies and stuff, and little drink station. The seating is very cute. I'm sitting back here up against this wall because this is like a part of shopping center, and they have like these flowers. Very cute, very quaint, and there's nobody in here, so I can do what I want to do, and that includes pulling out my camera to vlog. Like, I'm happy I got my camera. I'm so happy I got this. The question is, will I upload it? That's the thing about this whole debacle as far as like me deciding to get a vlogging camera, because I really love this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's so small, so like not in your face, very much like you gotta ask questions to see what I'm holding in my hand, because it's about like the size of my phone, like for real. Like, I just put my phone beside this and it's pretty much the same size, so yeah. They definitely got the vibes going. And they have like a little beeper thing, so whenever this beeps, it'll let me know when my food is ready. Oh, it's beeping. Let's see what it's looking like. Thank you. Looks so good. Thank you. Look at some napkins. Ooh, nice. Here it is. This looks amazing. And they gave me like these 2 green sauces. Usually I think like the lighter one is a little less spicy. I don't know. I know I don't be getting the that red sauce. That's a little bit too spicy for me, but oh, he put a little cheese. Okay, I'll scrape the cheese part off because I'm doing no dairy. Let me grab a fork. I can scrape the cheese off. I already know it's gonna be good, especially like, well, I've had the rice and beans before. You literally just can't go wrong with that. And so I got the special. It comes with 3 tacos and rice and beans. It's a lot on here. They're small though. Ooh, with corn tortilla. I'm not a flour girl. I love the corn tortillas. It's more authentic to me. Put some lime on there. And then I'll put a couple of grilled onions on here. I'll do the light sauce for this first taco. Let's take a bite. Oh, there's like mangoes in here. This is amazing. I'm gonna eat this whole plate before I go home. Mind you, it's like going on 4 o'clock, so, and this is my first time eating today. And to be honest, it'll probably be the only thing I eat, so, wow. Let me try this one this time. I am a condiment girl, so I love sauce. Wow. Alright, guys. That was so good. But the restaurant is in, like, I think this is called the Park Cities area, which is off of, what, Highway 12, Loop 12, whatever you want to call it. But it's like a strip of different places, and we are on our way to Target, because there's a Target in this plaza. So I'm gonna go to Target and get my things. So yeah, this is the Target, and then Marshall's is over there downstairs, but we're going up. Honestly, I really only came here for dog food. Dog food is what I need. Like, that's the necessity that I need. Okay, dog food secured. She already got the wet food. Here's my outfit. I love this outfit. Oh, I guess we can see it with the bag. I brought out my Coach bag, my black and silver vintage print, as the girls say. This bag is old, and I love it. The clearance section. So I just bought the white or the cream version of this. It was on sale at another store, and how much is this? Because I really like this one too, and I actually have a cream top I can wear this. Okay, $13. Getting. Oh my gosh! So I have the skirt for this, and I found the jacket. I'm about to try it on. See? And this is why you have to check the actual tag, because this is on an extra large hanger, but it's an extra small on the tag. So I wonder if this is given like oversized, because it does look a little big, but oh yeah, I'm getting this. Now I have the full suit, because I already have the skirt, and it fits really good. Getting. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm really about to go to bed, but I'm focusing on my goals. Yes, I got my iPad. Still a classic.